That's just how life is. Whoever saw me, it could have been the last time y'all see me. Just about 20 minutes ago, I'm in the back of Prince Charles Drive-In Theater, the place where they put Faith's Temple. I'm showing some property. I'm doing the surveying. I'm there to survey the parcel of land. The owner standing in the street. I'm sitting on an old fridge in the front of the property. We're discussing how many lots I must make and blah, blah, blah. Out of the bush come two young men brandishing a handgun. He pointed the gun at me first. He said, "Empty everything you have." I didn't say he must be can shoot me first. Then he pointed the gun at Mr. Arana on the background. And Arana, instead of Arana back off, it looked like Mr. Arana wanted to go at the man with the gun. So the man started shooting the gun at Arana. I am sure I saw that man pull the trigger 3 times pointing at Arana. And while he shoot the last shot, the two of them run back in the bush. I thought that was the end for all of us. Well, Christ, Christmas time robbery. They go on the police station. I head straight home. Give God thanks that I'm still here to tell the story. Because how that look, I expect a couple of us to be laying down dead. The nervous criminal shot that gun 3 times. I'm right there sitting down beside him. He's standing beside me because I'm the one he had the gun on first. When you come out the bush, he had to touch me first. I sitting on the old fridge on the bush. The next, they standing up in the road. 3 ladies and the owner. And he ain't shoot at the ladies. He shot their clients. He aimed the gun at me and shot at Arana 3 times and run in the bush. And that could have been a death report today. And I was the first one he pointed the gun at. Robbers. I'm saying this to have some, y'all, pay a light. Stay away from them funny areas what criminals can run out of. Jesus. I don't know what to say right now, but other than thank you, Jesus, for Arana not dead, not a scratch, none of the bullets hit him. And I did not get shot today with robbery. Be blessed. Thank you for prayers, everybody.
Boy, people, may I tell you, it's a sad situation. Yes, it truly is a sad situation. I'm sorry to say that happened to him because nobody wants to be held up at gunpoint. You understand? It's not a very good feeling, right? But one thing me I gotta say though, people. Me know for sure say that the property there where him did a go figure survey. If that is made public, say this so that happen after this video is put out, that the property then I go sell unless the person who buy it no say that happen or no see this video here. Wanna agree with me? Real talk. You understand? So by the sound of his accent and by the way how him say someplace in Prince Charles or somewhere like that, I would take it that this man is located in Nassau, right? And Nassau in the Bahamas, that is. So it sounds like this happening in the Bahamas, right? And boy, may I tell you, people, the criminal them out for the Christmas year, I try to rob everybody of them honest money. But anyway, people, make we lighten the mood just a little bit, yeah, man. Cause boy, if we worry too much, we stress and get stroke and high blood pressure and all of them things there. So let's lighten the mood just a little bit. Yo, me have a video right here of Saloni and Miss Dana. Boy, I been not gonna tell no lie, people. Saloni. Anyway, people, watch it for yourself, yeah, bud.
Yeah, you know, I'm not lying. My big up the second PS scammer down there. That's how I care like a scammer.
Big up the man.
Are you saying, boy, big up yourself? It's a pity you have a wife. And me don't have a man in my life. Hey. Oh God, big up yourself. And you always big up yourself. Favor William, remember the treater kid. Come here with the pity them. And give them something. Remember we put you in before the box count. Back bush back stuck out yet you win. And top red back stuck out you win. Alright. Mr. Dana, you are the next favor, Williams. How you will vote for the next election?
You're not going to election.
You're not going there, because if you ever go in there, you win before you count. We want to put you in there, man.
But me, I go do it still when the planka.
Mr. People, if I follow Saloni, I laugh till I pop. Me I tell you though. Yo, boy, me I tell you, Miss Dana and I planka them. But, you know, on a serious note though, if Miss Dana should decide so she gonna run for election, you feel like should I win? How much of you so would have vote for her? Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me see how much votes Miss Dana would have get from Uno if Miss Dana decides that she gonna run for politics. Although we know say enough people out there don't like Miss Dana same way, because people still don't like positive. People don't like when people are do good. But me I go look in the comment section to see how much of you say Uno would have vote for Miss Dana. But anyway, Triple X have a question for all the ladies. Ladies, listen Triple X, no.
I have a question more to ask. When you sit there, you go save up your money and take yourself and go do one surgery. Do your breast, do your body, do your belly, do your nose, do your face, everything, and sort out your body and reach finally how you're cinching and snatch and you take your up in the ear and then sit there. How your man give your bone to one fat girl, her belly hang over her panty waist like one funny pack, and the body flabby and the titty long like the Harry Potter store them. How you feel? How you feel? You don't feel that way?
Boy, you know, say the sad truth though. At the sad truth, the man asks a very, very, very valid question. Right? You have some woman, and before me even get into that, that is one of the reasons why we say love yourself. Love yourself. And anything what you are gonna do it for you. Not do it for nobody else. Not do it for make no man happy. Not do it for make nobody else happy but you. You understand? You have some woman where go do surgery and them not do the surgery for make themselves comfortably, you know. Them go do the surgery because them man not like how them nose big. So them go do nose operation for straighten the nose. Them go do surgery because them man say them not like how them body flat. Them go do the surgery for bigger them body. And then the man still turn around and go cheat pan them with somebody with nose bigger than for them one and nose and body with flatter than for them one. You understand? And in the end of it all, you left there like, but me go do all of this for him and look what him go do to me. You understand? So, when I say the ladies not fi do what them want to do fi feel comfortably, you know, because at the end of the day, I like a natural lady. I understand a lady that have it all natural. But if a woman want to go, they go do what she wants. So she feel comfortable in her own skin, that is fine by me. You understand? Watch on man, people, talk to me down in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Zine, little more.
Boy, unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.